good. Oh, eggplants, when you cook it right, oh, I think it is one of the best vegetables. Pick one up, and I just want you to take a look. I mean, it should still be firm because you definitely don't want to overcook your eggplants, but let's go in for a bite. It's still slightly firm, but it's juicy. And then, oh, the seasoning. It's like a sponge. It kind of soaked up all that delicious seasoning braising sauce that we made. Oh, so flavorful. Oh, delicious. And then make yourself a perfect bite with Korean rice and our delicious sauce. Speechless. Oh, 너무 맛있어요. Eggplants like this is so good, and it's spicy. It's like the spiciness is growing in my mouth, and the sesame oil is like taking over. It's buttery, nutty taste. Oh, and it's just perfectly salty, but balanced with warm Korean rice together. Perfection, perfection. Now, if you want to see how this dish is made, make sure to check the recipe video linked in the comment section below. And of course, the only way this gets better for me is adding a small piece of kimchi together, and then you just make yourself instantly happy. Such a simple meal. Oh, but it's so satisfying. I just wanted to shut everything down so I could just go in. And probably eat like 2 bowls of rice with it because it's so good together. Ooh, it is spicy. And always like have some napkin handy when you eat spicy Korean food. I'm just saying. Wait, I heard you. Can you make a non-spicy version of these eggplants? Yes, you can. I actually have a video recipe on this. So I want to warn you in advance because it is so easy, so delicious, and it requires soy sauce and doenjang. So I'm sorry if I'm gonna make you drool. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't done so, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Want to see more Korean recipes? Check out my library of authentic Korean recipes at youtube.com/modernpepper and click on that playlist tab. Click it. See you there.